Number 20 is
risking my grade.
Negative 2.8. Negative 2.8 squared.
2.8
X squared. Plus 3.1x.
plus 3.1 x
Equals negative 0.5.
equal negative 0.5. Right? That's our equation. Right? So to the 10th, to the 10th, to the 10th. Drew. So now get rid of my decimal value. Just multiply by 10. One place after the decimal is to the 10th, right? Then you will end up with what?
28.
Negative 28x squared plus 31x is equal to negative 5, right? So I need to write this either standard form so I can identify my vertex, right? Write it in vertex form. Here I use completing the square, so that will be the what I will do. So let this y, right? First, this is negative 28. There's a number here. I need to factor this out. Negative 28. What goes inside the parentheses?
X squared.
That will be x squared. That will be minus 31 over 28x. So when I distribute that, I get my negative 28. When I distribute that, those two will cancel. Two negative going to become positive. A is equal to y minus 5. Then I can start doing my completing the square method. Right? When you have problem when it comes to fact, you don't know what to do.
Yeah.
If I distribute this here, I will get my negative 28x. If I distribute it here, the 28 gonna cancel each other out. It's in my game. It's gonna become my positive. Two negative become positive. That's all I did. Make sense? Now I'm gonna take this, divide it by 2 or multiply by 1/2, right? Because it's gonna become a complex fraction. The second one you will have to flip it, right? That will be my reference. So I will have negative 31 over 28 times 1 over 2. Then that's what I'm going to be squared. But we end up with that. That will be negative 31 over 56. That's what you square. Then this becomes my reference. So we're going to square that. When you square it, what you end up with? No. What?
you have to flip it. 1 over 2.
I already flip it. Alright. It said I have to flip it. Let's go. Negative 31 over 28 divided by 2 over 1. Then I flip it. Right? Flip the burger. It's going to become 1 over 2. Yes? Divide by 2 is to multiply by 1/2. So far so good? So now those of you with calculator, 31 squared is what? What is it? 961 over 56 squared, which is 36. So that's what you add here to make it the perfect square trinomial. 961 over 31, 36. All right? Hold up, people. It's AP, that's what you add. But in reality, you multiply it by what? By negative 28, then that's what you will add on that side. So far so good?
Yes, sir.
The calculator work. Mental and calculator work. So I will take negative 28 and I multiply it by 961 over 31, 36. Hopefully this goes to that. Simplify. That's 28 goes to that. Did you try? You usually do. This become 112. But what? Negative. Right?
Yeah.
So hopefully those things has anything in common. That's the only thing we can do. Right? Try to divide this by 3. I don't think so. Then that's what we add on that side. Minus 961 over 112. That's what you add on the other side. When you multiply that, then it's negative. So we end up with minus 961 over 112. Just put this over 1, right? Then you will try to combine that. So now we have minus 28. And the magic is that what goes inside the parentheses, that was x. I already cleared. That was minus 31 over 56. Good. So that's what goes here. Minus 31 over 56 is equal. Then we have to work this out. What would be our common denominator? Then multiply by 112. Multiply by 112. This is a big negative number. Right? What is this time 112? What is it? Negative 560 minus 961. Everything is over 112. So what is it now? Calculator, people. Where are the calculator? Work them out.
Negative 1,521.
Alright, you will have y minus 1,521 over 112. Now we need to get y by itself. What will you do? Add this to his side. 1521 over 112. So that's what you will do here. And what will be your final equation? Y equal negative 28. That goes inside the parentheses. Same thing. X minus 31 over 56 squared plus 1521 over 112. Now the only thing I have to do is to name my vertex. What will be your vertex in this case? That will be 31 over 56, comma, 1,521 over 112. Hopefully that does not simplify. So if you simplify, try by 3. If you simplify by 3. And other than that, if it does not simplify, you leave it as that. Does it simplify? No? Then your misery is done. But some of you don't want to try because it's fraction. If you can do it with any numbers, you should be able to do it with fraction also. Alright, that's where your misery ends.